It's May 6th, and we're going to do some work around the house, but the weather turned pretty nice, so we decided to go for a ride instead.
Yeah, sure.
And we might have 2 more good days before the rain comes back. We're taking advantage of all the wind therapy we can handle. And we're on Olean Trail. I had to stop by Hetrick's. It's the local farm supplier. Just, yeah, look at that view. And I had to order parts for my weed whacker. So, that being said, we went for a ride. And enjoying this cool weather. 75 and overcast. So stay tuned. It's going to be a short ride, so we don't know where we're going to go. Yeah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, there's Phil. I think he escaped from Foxy.
Babies.
Babies, running away from his babies. Beautiful day, beautiful scenery on Olean Trail. I think we're going to follow it. Straight across 66. And enjoy some more scenery. This is nice. Something about Olean Trail, it has some good scenery.
Yeah.
Must be a bird farm or something. Everything's caged in.
The emus. Ducks.
Yeah, they got ducks and we'll continue on. Nice view. We're coming up to Route 66. And last year, someone commented about the cemetery being so close to the road.
Some of the stones are, but
Yeah.
hey.
And they have a lot of cemeteries right by the churches. And there's the John Deere place. Okay, we're going straight across Route 66 and follow Olean Trail for a while. Whee! Yep. I'm gonna have to say a thing because it's so nice. And it's not hot because the sun is behind the clouds, the overcast, but being 75, it's lovely. There's the airplane.
Oh yeah.
Check that out. Ready? Can you see that? Coming in for a landing. All right. Cool. That's on Olean Trail. Cool. We were looking for that. We're going, oh, where was it? And then I thought it was on this road, but I wasn't sure. We seen that last year also on one of our rides. You never know what you're going to see. Curtain Bottom Road. Yep. Alrighty. Okay, we're heading home. I okayed, but that's alright.
It's either alright or okay.
Yeah, either or. So run, as you've seen, 9:49. Heading back home. We told our little puppies we'll be back only for a short ride.
Just enough to get wind therapy, and I've gotten that.
And aromatherapy, you forgot about that.
Yeah, and that too.
We got that good aroma of all the stuff that got killed over the winter. Road kills. The sun keeps wanting to peek out. Every once in a while we get a glimpse. Oh, I still got had my four-way flashes on. Well, we got stopped. They were doing construction, so we had to stop.
They were yielding.
Yeah. We had the four-way flash on to warn the deer to stay away. No.
Yeah.
Must be a goat farm. We got all kinds of things for the goats to play with. Hey, a Bigfoot.
About the size we need.
Stay tuned for a couple more clips and we kept then home sweet home. We kept it short, so keep watching. We appreciate it and thank you for it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and
Give us some ideas on where we should go.
Yep. We're on that little bell too, I guess that helps. Do it all. We're trying to build like our channel. I said not mine, our channel. And taking us a while. So pass it along. Winging PA at its finest. Western PA. Whee! Shop corner. Home sweet home. Hi, Dave. Okay, we made it home.
How you doing?
Here we are. Thanks for coming along with us. It was a little short ride, but
It was nice.
it was nice. So, don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and keep watching, and we thank you for watching.